everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lacey. I'm the owner of Milky Candles and I make videos about life in my 30s. Today we're gonna unbox some stuff for you because I always think it's really interesting to watch unboxing videos and see like the little bits and pieces of what people order to have their business flourish and so on and so forth. Not a lot, but let's get into it. All right, here we go. All right, we've got 4 packages here. One of them I'm gonna use as my table for now. So the first box is from Candle Science. We have a local collaboration with a gin company and we are starting to push out that product. They've landed on their vessel, they've landed on their scent, and so we have started ordering everything we need for it. So we've got Golden Santal. If you have never smelled Golden Santal, it is so soft. Dare I say buttery? I would love to use this moving forward. I just don't know with what or how right now. So kind of just pushing it away for another time. But Golden Santal is delicious. And I think it would be perfect blended with anything to make it a little bit earthy. So if you're trying to like dim down a little bit of floral, I think that would be really good with that. Or even something that's supposed to be very like oceanic, I think that Golden Santal would pair really well with. The other one is Cactus Flower and Jade. I'll never hate this. I'll never hate it. I'll never get sick. It's like the song that you're always gonna listen to, regardless of what decade you're in. Oh my God, it smells so good. I thought I got some on my hands because I was like, I'm okay with that. It's like green, but like juicy, like a juicy green. I feel like I have to lean down because I'm like in the box. I don't know if my sample is in here. Oh yeah, it is. What did I get for the sample? I'm smart. I got Golden Santal. I just get what I already have or what I know that I'll use, so it's the same thing, but I gotta smell it again. So good. I don't actually buy packing peanuts anymore. I just collect all of the ones that I get from all of these companies and I put them in a really big trash can. In my office, it has never been used as a trash can. It's actually always been used for these. When I have to pack like big packages and I need them to weigh a little bit lighter, I'll use these instead of my crinkle paper. Next, Flaming Candle Company. One of my last videos, it was a vlog, and I was talking about how like Flaming Candle Company gives you a fragrance oil that for free, that like, so it's such a wild card. And everybody in the comments was so helpful and was like, when you check out, make a comment, let them know what fragrance oil you want as a free sample because that's how you're supposed to do it there. And I was like, oh, okay, they should like really work on their advertising for that because I have never noticed it. Do you think I did it this time? Do you think I did that? I didn't do it. I'm not good at remembering. And even after I checked out, I was like, oh, I should have done that. But it's okay. We'll see what they give me and then I'll just add it to the rest. My receipt, my receipt. Remember that one time I started an ASMR channel and then I totally abandoned it? I know what's in here and I need to get it, but these are gonna fall out. It's okay. Wait, did any fall out? Did any actually? 2. No, I also have, fragrance oil. I think that's it in this box. I also make room sprays. For those of you that don't know, we are transitioning from one style bottle to a different style. I thought I had landed on that new style and then I just don't, well, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it because I'm pretty sure that's what this box is. I put this in our plastic bag drawer. I use Flaming Candle Company's, their base room spray. That's not the official name. Linen/room spray base. They changed their packaging. Tiny little smidge of a label. I absolutely love their spray base. So I use it with like distilled water and then some fragrance oil. So this, happy to have. I almost buy it every single time I purchase from Flaming Candle Company because I don't purchase from them a ton. I actually kind of do that with everywhere that I shop. Like if I go to Uline, if I'm gonna get one thing, if I have enough money in my budget, then I'm gonna get the other things because it's just like, if I'm gonna pay for shipping, let's just do it all at the same time. If we can, we can't always. Excited to have this. The other one I have is pretty much still full, but this is one of those things that I don't keep track of very well. I go to make a bunch of room sprays and I'm like, shit, I'm out. I like to have as many of these as I can on deck. The fragrance oil, oh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, So again, this is for the collaboration. Oh, they changed like all of their, okay, so they're doing like a rebrand. It's the black cedarwood and juniper type fragrance oil, and oh my God, you guys. I don't have words to describe like the weird comfort that I feel when I smell this fragrance oil. It is earthy, unisex. It makes me think of like, I don't know why, but it makes me think of like getting my hair braided. I almost feel like when I was younger, my dad used a product like that smelled similar to this, that was like a little earthy. Nothing, it wasn't like fruity. I don't know. Guys, this makes me feel like I'm getting a hug from like my favorite auntie. Like I don't even think that is what this is supposed to evoke, because it does feel like it's supposed to be a little bit more of like the cologne side. I'm not doing a great job. It's comforting. Let's smell the free sample that they gave us. Leaves. I'm into that. I will use that in the fall. Thank you. Leaves. Let's smell it. Oh. Move over, Bath and Body Works. Flaming Candle Company is coming for your money. All right, let's get this package down here. Imagine this whole time I'm not even recording. Just got a weird feeling about it. I am. We've been using white room sprays. We've gone actually through a couple. We had these like tiny 2-ounce ones from Amazon that kept leaking, and I just hated them because they kept leaking. And then I wanted to go bigger. So then we did these clear ones from Uline, but then some of the fragrance oils would make the room sprays turn a little bit darker if they had sunlight that hit them. So then I was like, ooh, maybe we just kind of like get a bottle that covers it. So then I got these white ones. I'm trying to figure out what I want the room sprays to look like. So these ones I decided on for like the Mother's Day, Father's Day launch. And then I don't know if I'm gonna keep on using them moving forward, because where's the line? Shipping is expensive because they're from overseas. And that means that I'm almost paying like double. Don't love that, but they're very beautiful. And I could see myself using them for a long time if I just need to sit down and figure out if the math is worth it. Oh my God, they really reinforced this. You can do it, put your back into it. I can't. What kind of tape is this? You guys could build houses with this kind of tape. Build a fucking car. I just feel like with how much they are already, and then how much it costs to ship them, I would have to up my price of room sprays, and I'm not sure that like I personally would want to pay that much for room sprays. So I'm still looking, but for whatever reason, everyone has the same idea as me, and so everything I try to look at is sold out. So I'm really annoyed. God, this is... I need everyone to know that all of that is for this. All of that packaging, these 12 frosted cylinder bottles. I absolutely love these. Oh God, I could use them forever. I gotta look at their bulk pricing, because if it's worth it, I'll do it. If it's not, then I won't. And it's as simple as that, and I just gotta stop overthinking it. So these are gorge, and they come with black caps. They're shiny black caps. Their options are shiny black, gold, I think it's shiny gold, and silver. And I think I liked black. I could do gold though. Gold would be pretty. Maybe I can do gold outside of Mother's and Father's Day. I don't know. So anyway, these are gonna be for the Mother's Day, Father's Day. Stay tuned for what the Father's Day vessel will be. Last box, let's do it. The one that's been my table this whole time. This is from Uline. I actually had one more thing that was with this, but I had to open it and use it. Uline is another company where like if I'm already gonna be shopping from Uline, let's get what we can while we're doing it. You know what I mean? Thank you for all your promotional products that I won't read, but thank you for it. I'll be putting those into my garage to send with big packages. Okay, 2 boxes of the Uline pinstriped gift boxes. These are 4x4x4. They're the craft ones. I think it comes with 50, if I'm not mistaken, or 100. Does it say? 100. Woo. 100. So I got 2 of these boxes. These are my favorite. This is what I package my candles in. I usually just take them out and put them on a shelf that I have in my office. Oh, one of these got bent. So I will show you what this one looks like. They're really easy to use, minus this one. It's gonna be a little bit difficult. But basically you just pop the bottom in and then you do it like this. These are very popular. A lot of people use these. I'm gonna make this box worth it. This will just carry one of our testers when we do a pop-up probably. I was gonna do tube packaging for my candles, but I cannot find a tube that fits my candle. For now, we're sticking with these. Love these. The other thing I got is craft crinkle paper, and that I actually got 2 of them, but I already opened one of the other boxes. So let's get this big old box out of the way. We love crinkle paper. That's it. That's all I have. That's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you even if you don't love me back. Don't forget to subscribe if you like videos like this and hit the bell notification so that you know whenever I upload. Yeah, see you in my next video.